what's up, man?
What's up, baby?
Man, listen, I got you on live. I'm doing it the old school way. Dink, tell everybody your Instagram channel.
Let me look at it. I think it's Danky Do. Danky Do.
Danky Do?
Yeah, DANKYDOO.
DANKYDOO?
Yeah.
That's on Instagram.
Yeah, I got my car on the picture.
Yeah, you can't miss the Pest Control Malibu. Tell them what city you represent, Dink.
Sarasota, Florida.
Y'all hear it?
94 mother freaking 1.
Hey, just to authenticate this damn thing, you know what I want to hear so they know it's you.
You know it's a real deal when you hear.
Y'all hear it? So y'all go check my boy out on Instagram. It's your boy Chuck G. Like and subscribe on that YouTube channel, Chuck G. Check out Pest Control with Dink behind the wheel. Dink, I told him you're a real live comedian. Real live.
Yes, sir.
24/7.
Hey, I got what else I got? I got TikTok too. Check me, follow me on TikTok.
TikTok, what is on TikTok?
It's at Ulysses Grable.
Alright, y'all hear that? At Ulysses Grable.
Yep, I got the Malibu, the Pest Control, the picture of that too.
Pest Control go worldwide. Anytime you see Dink, anytime you see Dink, say beep beep. Alright, man, y'all check out this video, man. We finna do the damn thing. Dink, I'm finna hang up on you. We making move, yeah.
Can you give us a play-by-play what happened in that race? Well, let me tell you. Meep. Put on in that thing. Troy, you ready? Come on, Dan. Get in the line, Dan. Get in the line. So after I did my burnout, it felt good to me. Felt good to you? Shucks, no. You know, out there rolling through a little bit. Stand back here on up. Backing up, I reach over there, turning the thing on. Ooh, you put that juice on it? Making sure my strap gets tight. It don't matter, no nitrous, no none of that. I took that W.
Pest Control for the win.
Meep. Can we meet back in the lanes? We had no nitrous. We like to run back to the same spot. We like to run Danky back to the same spot. No. You were way right there. Hey. Where Malcolm at? That car. You know what got him too, man.
I'm trying to tell you, Chester ain't coming. I can tell you that right now.
Huh?
Chester ain't coming.
Pest Control. Chester and outside lane.
What you want? Hey, come on over here. Come on over here. Come on over here. Hey, let me. Hey, y'all need to call Malcolm. Tell Malcolm come on here and see me over here. That man, Malcolm. Y'all call Malcolm. I was go way back there. You were way back there.
Hey, boy.
Hey, that man Malcolm like he stole something. But I still racist.
We making movies, yeah.
Hey, D.
That nigga crazy.
Yeah, I got you. I know. Hey, man. You can stop, man. You can stop. He ain't started. Look at him. He's still going.
All you gotta do is line him up.
That's it. Look at him. Hey, man. Hey. Hey.